I originally became interested in hand surgery because my grandfather had rheumatoid arthritis and was a farmer. I really wanted to help with those hand type activities and try to help other people who had difficulties with their hands to get back to doing their life the way they want to. That's how I got into hand surgery. What I enjoy the most is the people. I really enjoy hearing their story, knowing their backgrounds, and enjoy figuring out what they need to do with their hands and how I can better accomplish that. We all get a little older, and so there's always going to be certain things that I can't completely turn back the hands of time and make them better, but I can always make them a little better, and I can always help them to figure out a way to do the things they love the most. And trying to figure that out and trying to get to know them as people and go with them through this step of getting healthier is what I enjoy doing the most.